Good morning, welcome to day 13. We've nearly made it 2 weeks. I can't believe it. So last night I stayed at my friend's house. This is where I am now. Had a lovely home cooked meal, slept in a proper bed, had a shower, did some washing, feel amazing. And now today we are heading out to Hatfield House, which I'm very excited about. Never been before and I've wanted to go for a long time, so let's go see. My name's Emily. I'm a history teacher from Lancashire and I love to travel. This summer I decided to pack up my car and head out on a road trip around England, camping in my Corsa as I went along. Join me on my English adventure. This is Emily on Mooch, the road trip. Welcome to Hatfield House. So this place made us wait 50 minutes for our food and drink, only to come out and tell us that they had run out of said food. Thanks so much for watching this episode of the road trip series. If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe because there's another video coming very soon.